So I've been looking bummy for the past few days. I don't know if it's because I'm tired or
because I got depression,
if I'm just lazy. Anyways, I'm gonna make a video on how I do my hair. I'm not a professional. I think I do a pretty good job. But either way, it's wash day. And before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram. Okay, so this is what I use to wash my hair. I just got a sale on my website. Someone just bought some of my art. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is what I use. I have like seborrheic dermatitis, which I think is just a fancy name for like eczema.
What's that, eczema?
I use this medicated shampoo. I use this medicated shampoo by Glover's. And then I use this scrubby thing. On my scalp like that to get it really in there. It actually feels really good. Yeah, you also get one of these. I don't know where this is from. I take it from my mom's room. I don't know. Then once I wash my hair and it gets wet, then that's when I like start detangling. I like to detangle when it's wet. It's a lot easier. And then after I'm done detangling, I use Aussie Miracle Moist Shampoo. I love this brand. I'm gonna link everything in the description, but love this shampoo. I pour too much and I just rub it all in there, you know. And then I rinse it out. After I rinse it out, I use Aussie again. This is the 3-minute Miracle Moisture Deep Conditioner. Yes, I love this stuff. You're supposed to rub it all throughout your hair and leave it there for 3 minutes, but I'll be leaving it in there for longer just because I don't like to follow directions. Or normally I just like, that's the time I take where I wash the rest of my body. So however long that takes. And then I rinse that out too. Okay, so now I'm gonna go wash my hair and I'll be back. Natural hair is an Olympic sport. I don't care what anybody says. My back hurts, but I did it. Okay, so I'm going to use Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. I don't think I've used this before, but I'm gonna use this as a leave-in. Come out. Okay, so I'm gonna run this all through my hair. It smells really good. It smells like childhood. So I'm gonna split my hair into 2 sections. Actually, I can't see, so I'm gonna come closer to the camera.
I'm legally blind, I can see barely.
Today I'm gonna be using Aunt Jackie's Curl and Coil Freeze Patrol, and it's a setting mousse. And then I'm going to use Aussie again, the Miracle Curls Frizz Taming Cream. Love this brand. Okay, I'm just gonna split this apart again. Yeah. Okay. Alright, that looks good. So I'm gonna get like 2 pumps of mousse. Yes. Rub it through there. Okay, rub it through here. Sometimes I just use my hand, but sometimes I use one of these like horse brushes. Okay. Now I'm almost out of this, so good luck to me. Okay, so I'll put about like that much. Rub it in. And then rub it onto my hair. Rub it in, rub it in. And then you can use the comb if you want. I'm gonna use it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, so now that everything is rubbed in, I'm gonna do a 2-strand twist. So you're gonna wanna be taut at the top, and you're just gonna twist your hair. Twist, twist. All the way down. There we go. Okay. Still done. And then I just kind of do like a little thing at the end. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna do another one. Okay. Get 2 squirts. Squirt, squirt. Pretty sure you don't need that much, but here we are. Lotion, cream, I mean. And rub it in. Okay, now we're gonna do another twist. Twist, tautly. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera, twist all the rest of this. It's probably gonna take me like an hour because I'm not that great at hair, but I'm getting done. All right, so I'll see you guys. Okay, my twists are done. They're not perfect, but you know they don't have to be for it to look good. So I'm gonna wait for them to dry. Sometimes I sit under the dryer if I have somewhere to be, but it's nighttime, so I'm going to bed. And let's see. Yes, I've got a fresh new bonnet from the hair store. I'll put that on. And so once I put my bonnet on, I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow to show you the results. Okay, it's the next day. Hopefully it's dry. I'm on my Polar Express, you feel me? Okay, so I am going to run some jojoba oil all throughout my hair. You don't want to take your hair down with dry hands, so oil it up. Okay. Alright, let's start taking it down. So you're supposed to take it down from the bottom, but I be taking it out from the top. But just for this demonstration, I'll take it out from the bottom. Okay. And I'll just take them all out. You're not supposed to take it out from the top, you're supposed to take it out from the bottom. Don't listen to me on that part, okay? Okay. Make sure you got all the twists. Okay. Yeah, now you're done. There you go. I'm just kidding. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to the front and slowly start splitting it apart like that. Split it apart. On your fingers, feel it. And I just kind of split it into like 4s, I guess, or however much it splits apart. Just go like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna shape it how I want it to be shaped. Everything. I gotta look in the mirror over here for a second. Okay, I'm done playing with it in the mirror. Okay. So it didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to. And that's probably because I ran out of product and I was using it very scarcely. But I still think that it looks very cute. So I'm gonna wear it. Normally my hair turns out ugly. I put it in the bun. That's just me. But it's cute enough to wear out. Honestly, my afros be looking like a Jerry curl low key. Like I'd be looking like Ice Cube and Boys in the Hood. But that's okay, it's okay. I think it came out pretty well. I think that it could have came out even better had I not rushed. And yeah, I like these products though. So I'll definitely do another video testing out some other products. But yeah, I'm gonna go out today and feel cute about myself. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and check out my Instagram.